With so many options in 3M wrap vinyl, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Which one should I use for my box trucks, fleet wraps, or personal vehicle projects? What is their durability? What lamination is supposed to go with which vinyl? Grimco has simplified the options to make it easier to know which product works best for each application. Let's look at the Good, Better, Best lineup from 3M. Good. IJ175CV3. With a kit price of just under $1,000, this is the perfect solution for fleet wraps, including box trucks and food trucks. Better. IJ180CV3. The industry's favorite wrap film, this versatile wrap film is perfect for vehicle wraps that require a more personal touch, such as watercraft graphics, smooth wall graphics, or window graphics. Best. IJ280CV4. This wrap vinyl helps you get the job done quickly and get it done right the first time. Because it has 3M's V4 air release technology, your install will be up to 20% faster. Join Grimco in this 3M Good, Better, Best video series as we break down wrap vinyl options to fit your job, explore durability, lamination, and key features. Good, Better, Best. 3 wrap solutions simplified from 3M.